maintain ye.
Hi.
Okay, I say back a crack. Could be I'm here.
Ababa, mina miniafa.
I swear.
Yeah.
No, Eno mental voice, no.
Miniafa kakra.
Eno mental voice, no.
Hi.
Eno mental voice, no. Sister, Eno mental voice, no.
What you say, daddy?
Ghana's female rapper, the best.
Yeah.
Oh, Papa, share. Yeah, the amount.
Me that say.
Yeah, the amount.
Me that say.
What matter? Quantity the amount.
No.
Because of this.
Hey.
Mon shadi, mon shadi, sisi, mon shadi, sisi. Now mon journey on Facebook, Adom 106.3. Mon shadi, sisi, mon head your dear, do mon head your debate, sisi, mon shadi. 3, 2, 1.
I was stolen from the dark into the light. Underground into me and crammy, I flew like a kite.
Sure.
It was all a dream, but I was ready for the fight. Me who know myself for front me nimpening for your diet. I just a man to beat. Mike mama and sanka few when it's a good cancer way African ne papa felepa with me the diasa. And some nankasa could dim the bedroom that I'm Kasaka on the Munye Hoshe. I feel a grown up Pascal. Rap be Sheminiasi, I'm always flying higher. Me choose to go see me now, one and the bet me call my buyer. Me speedy a granny munas who so I see higher. The only thing hotter than me is hellfire. Me raise a banner whether you like or not. My certain standard, certain planets. My Jimmy Dean Dada. Why ni Kung Fu Panda? I'm the founder. My brain never basni and I know by louder. Bibi how can I me one a man? She shows a colebu powder. Me na me demi hona me see me kuni say na huni se mageni. My chance a crampo ni na me the baby. So we ni ageni. Bini mo shasha masen message so mu peti me se man keni. Si me flow na fete baby ya. Kirani me gari. Try na so se anke kamba so abu ko mu tintigrate. But see ayo sa grobi ni ebedia. Wa shwa dia whip ni ho I am the grim, the seeker, the spartacus. Believe me this is just the first episode of my season. From my godmother. Yes, when you see me the anchor when you father that you pray by Shem said then chemo dance so much fans were paga. My was yabo said undo, say why we who that I granny for my bender that rapper the name of Shami Sami Fini Boys my Canada Levy Grammy Tuesday will miss him. I'm here to stay. If anyone bet you U-turn and your crusade, I'm also about 10. If you could be an anime and could be someone up on you whoop and you want to them a rap will be you quali. What's your
Eno Barony is in the studio, man. Some catch them. Where you the proper kwamu kakeo. You started where you the proper mukra kake. Share only me. If I told some me another 8 bars, some me another 8 bars, mommy another 8 bars, another 8 bars.
People listen to my flow and they say, girl, you gone crazy. Me and my penny, I can't afford to be lazy. I've done whatever I have to do just to become this lady. So believe me when I tell you that my life has no maybe. Keep working hard, the video issues getting bad. No recognition and I'm still getting fat. When you knew you took a power, you beside my dad. Rest in peace, mama. He told me to follow my heart. Say, if I no get dollar, my carry as a baller, but mudu me cram your sort near to me, Munya Chisella. And you may the pastor to her that would try for you that we shall be any day. Well, I remember baby if you said they go feature me, but it's just a track. Come on, in what you battle. Rap yes, you can't catch me, Hoche and Wado. I be get a girl, so I understand the hustle. Right now, I'm living on the little way I get. Kuli Debo at your money I bet. So many things that they wish say I get. Into my diamond that the first crook name I let. I'm the speedy giddy like a horse. Breaking all the barriers with one full force. Or by the say they be my room attempts name a shots. Tikana so by me receiving a foreign course. Now I from me show, now we stage no my fro. Rapper go and taba and soon you know so my pro. When time me can make a kind of my phone. Offer me another time now my boss in my throat. Whatever. All of you pretending like you don't know that I am the best. You smell with your nose. Then when the money says you can't know between the tip like a crazy so you rapper that you compare to Eno. Until the last day I will remain the crown. If you call yourself the queen, then I am fishing on your head. Somebody told that old queen I'm in the style near old thing. If she wanna be all, can she follow my blueprints? Yeah, I possess the mind that rules them all. 32 bars and I broke down the Jericho wall. They crawl, I walk, they jump, I fly, they back, I roar. They think it's just a ghetto fight. I swear we are war. My target is too big. Me, I don't get time for some Ghanaian rap chicks who so believe in themselves. They thinking that they're so sick. OJ said you can bring me down. What James was saying, we'll punch more Hassan toothpick. I'll tell you one time. Nicki Minaj is so happy and so lucky I wasn't born as an American. Africa hampa me one not Nisnugu Jim. She's so scared. I'm the sign of her end times. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Cause I'm the first woman to fight till the dead can. They see my name, they point with their right hand. Rap where what Jamal when they are me, I no send. You see yourself catching on, that's your dream though. dream big, yeah, it's free, yeah, dream on. But to me, you are just chasing a mirage, and the time you will notice, oh my God, it's just a deja vu. It appears so real, but it is April Fool. When you will realize the difference between me and you. Dare or truth or dare, it's me you choose. My name is Ruth, they call me Eno. To me, the wakash, Shaminajana, my new business, I'm a level of culture. When Tia said, dead.
Eno is in the building, man. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. Papa, be at the DD.
I do.
Yeah, I'm training because I'm beside Christ. The guy who see flow energy level near high. I'm to say everything is on point.
Yeah.
Sister, we dope. What?
Me that say.
When you be rough.
Me that say.
As well. Now me show. I think TV3 program be quite recently, a couple of weeks back.
Yeah.
Now we Gina stage and no so now. Charlie. Now to so Gina to say body soon Gina TV no so. To say body power Gina TV no so. Die. Oh papa na ofri hin wa be dru hey. Ofri hin wa ba be dru hey.
Chin na.
And na ma waten nsem ahunu nsem no.
Of course.
I'll tell you.
Na Adom say they say if you ni fie.
That's right.
It was say oh now if you na be didi kaka. Say no antina me now.
That's right. Now have you heard it in at various circles say Charlie guys ni be bro why na omo o ka so person who feature ma person who feature why na aso mo chuchu kakra. Have you got that adinibu of vibe?
And Crow say some of the guys are bold enough to feature me, but as my fans now equity idea because me no binya yenyo pet no mo da beto ho na omo measure ni panel up no e ne media no say na obi ba na sakoya asem. That's right. I don't know one tonyum but o rapi. Overall, enyim to on nyame de chere me metimi ato there, but then I felt like there's something in me that I need to do. I better set it pace. I'm a emba or monso me don't person me rap.
Good.
Because time I make sure I say rap no na I say you want to me mbo ba bi din kan asem say oba we na year rap because he say
that's it.
Because e bi back but no matter that. So I had to do it and be a shima no mo be ba no so be obi person year rapper wait me din koko na sa bo ni koko aka say it me that's why I did it.
Most definitely. But why if pa
me that say
why they too much?
Me that say
she's in on point. Be on point. Ready now why they do why no, sorry, John. I'm in chef for me. Sorry, John. I'm chef combination. Yeah, those on Facebook. Monjourney on Facebook. Adom 106.3. Lady, who for year pan. I'm a person more enjoying the year and kasa. More enjoying the year and kasa. Monjourney on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Papa Bills, you know what? What we're going to do right now is the feeling in the studio. High. We need to be upstanding. It's not say we have Eno Barony in the building. Sweetness bar. Easy. But talk to me.
Yeah.
Sense of fashion.
Yeah.
Taste.
Me that say.
Usuan wo baby. Obi na chire wo. Upia nyoma be na okeka see ani. What do you consider? Nyoma be na okeka see ani ansa na wa dress ye pi.
Oh, answer na me pie no brown we na keke.
Brown we na share chire no. Good.
Okay, cover man na yeah, but you know say Juma, so you need to market yourself.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. And I can see you have flat stomach. Couldn't say curves on point.
My stomach is not flat like that.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, Adam too much. Do you do something to your body? Yeah, exercise be. What do you do to yourself?
The car cry here maintenance.
Punchline.
Yeah, I say once in a while you do something. Yeah.
Good. Now, one more mudidi anajo by heart in Indiana. I don't know didi anajo.
Oh, I mean me and Kasane like anajo didi nyame like.
I don't used start here. Be my curves na irana.
Oh no, we say age man even sometimes with me and auntie anajo na accommodate and all that.
That's right.
But you just have to learn, say, like a process into the piano. No. Fantastic. Now, Eviano, who did you know? Yana, Eviano, Sabia person called heavier. Na bube pa na me dem pay fufu.
Na fufu no pe eye manka fufu anase body ne ampese fufu body ne banchi heavy one pa okay yen hwen kwan no
ani aponchen kwan
Aponchen kaka.
Snails kaka.
No anje mo baka nwa kakra. Ha sister na ne bie.
Me do VCC akra nsam me.
Me to me who to the energy level no. To the energy level near high no. Heavy one pa. Now talk to me about Obi Abanye. Talk to me about Obi Abanye. That's right.
Rest in peace, Ebony.
That's it.
Yeah,
that's
Ebony, rest in peace.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Obi Abanye nyumbia eba mi trim. You know, say do maybe my career and I think for bash me pan. I go with your bear club on you know, whilst they don't even know you. So I felt like untimin judge book be by its cover because me.
That's it.
Ebi anyom na metune art be na me portray.
That's it.
But it doesn't mean say my say.
But no, not to be sad. Does it get to you?
So that time now me share several friend there how me pan. But I got to know say me papa cry for beka me Ebony for beka. And see me call show be na me first time me say Ebony performing. I'm say wow, I want this girl on this song and then we put it together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we do it?
We can
we do it?
Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yes, let's do it.
Eno Barony is our guest. Monjani on Facebook. Monjani on Facebook. Hey, Adom 106.3.
Wait, yes, I did it.
Hey.
Ain't no Ebony. Ghana hand collabone. Yeah. Jam my life, you don't know me. You know go fit control me. Me and my life into you when you man come and say me if you don't know me. I say I come at the ball so. So and them $1 so. Obi adi enyan so me dia na faso na matra be careful me they take it easy baby. We don't really hear what they say. Thanks to the beats by Dre. My brand them say me them nyon see they be me coming him. Hey yeah me nyom na me tie. Monkey no fine him me like come don't judge me just wait for my outcome. Say me tibia me yi me nyamia yo. Hallelujah. But how come if you for no they won't make my name rest me prove them wrong for to abedi first. Say me na me nyon na mo ke come home sem to me ref say Obi Abanye. Yes, me no say me about Obi Abanye. Yes, me no say me about Obi Abanye. We don't really care. We don't give a shit. We don't really care. We don't give a shit. Someone can say the girl is a problem. The girl is a problem. Maybe I made Ruby, I see me a sick more problem. The girl is a problem. If you be a men's home, near your medical mouse, so the Indian and the Bay doctor for near police for an answer for. Or be Bobo, be so Batonio Mobianco University, so want to know man share or be bound for one band to Chrono, be a Canadian don't bonsono. Oh, criticize them and our premises to master. I can come home to me good many must. Man, yeah, what I say, a kind of man say to me say that. Chromo have what the wood charasta pa, yes, you know me. I dear Rapa, yes, so now say we dress a pie, yes, so the judge training to Murphy set. Yes, me no say me about me know, me no say me bad. Yes, me no say me about me know, me no say me bad. So we don't really care, we don't give a shit. So we don't really care, we don't give a shit. Shut up on no mouth if you know like Rasta. Ebony. I can be a pastor. Some gonna be a judge and some gonna be a doctor. Eno do the rap and Bonnie do the rock. So no have to walk up to me, tell me what go on with it. Tell them we kill it. Know me. Hey. All right. Does it really matter if I sing my song, call it poison? Oh, Ebony.
Maybe her soul rest in perfect peace. No doubt about that. But Tama, all climbing as a rapper,
yeah.
I know that it hasn't been easy for you.
Never.
What were some of the challenging times? As I had it was I said now the lowest part of your life and the career. What are some of the challenges that you can share?
Like I said, the hardest thing on earth is to taste fame.
Okay.
And go broke and go down. That's the hardest thing. Yeah. Because me started, until I started there will be on fun when you know.
Normal level.
Yeah. It's after my best I see about Drew baby my point of my career. Then me mommy be free.
Oh, quite okay.
Me mommy free more. By then I had a shop now be free me. Because when my mom left, I said be jai. Because me Tonyom and all those things. Me mommy be free me the shop if we and Saka credit run and so we have to sell the car. Yeah, like BB say. Me watch him some mom and maternity and my mom is not there. Yo, so now BBI it got to me like I felt like minty I was so down.
That's it.
Cause minty for church at that time. There is no car anymore. Ejuma be asuni ho and I don't know so mental.
That's it.
And my mommy has something like
that's right.
Yo, they be an media.
I said now Braba Heto from various angles.
I never thought because we saw your color Felice oh BB ebe so go no, but I got to the point where me Felice oh me a big girl, me a big girl for them, I be Lucy BB.
That's right.
Hey, and it was so hard. Obi who I wanna over near same Bosia. You understand? Yeah. It was so hard. But then I feel like BB and Sonya me. And so when we pray to God, all of a sudden, like
how were you able to put such challenging situations behind you and still keep moving?
The music is the food to the soul.
That's right.
No matter what. I mean, and you to you are a hot year or how, but you umpire the Nvidia. So the music, I made sure it never leaves me, and I kept recording, even though there was no money to push, no car. Still, I made the new to
that's right.
I made the new to, and the more I was doing that, the more I was building my fan base. Into betina, oh, be a friend, show waha, or be a Burmese Joe waha, sa na kakaka na me decent free. The Ahonchi anana woman at that time.
That's right.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Yeah. What vibe me too much. To what's not juice me. 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 Monjani on Facebook. I Adom 106.3 FM.
Juice me.
Hey.
Mema mimbi sansa bema juice me.
Juice me.
Membe ye wadin se bube yusibi. When ti a win deep. No pain, no gain.
That's right.
That be the game. Inti bema juice me.
Hey.
Memma mimbi sansa bema juice me.
Hey.
Membe ye wadin se bube yusibi.
Hey, that's it.
Hey. When ti a win deep. No pain, no gain. That be the game.
Hey.
Hey, accept yourself. What's in the morning, I mean, brother, respect yourself.
That's right.
And treat more you when each other respect yourself.
That's it.
And I'm you saying your size. Oh, Papa, cry a shareholder. When you have to share, some more my die, I am for me, now come on, more put you out. What the credits, I'm at the make of them say, I have a cut to swine. You have to tire that. Brajama washa da me ba wo dem mo shebe me pia watanti ni obenya ne nkomo ke ye bottle mpanka me ma wo hag pizza bem eni ajegon utwa uba ma me ba ha de bia na nso waki sia ne me mo chop money sir ye no be shada ma chine twa we dua ni mu da aha so ha ye be jise me mema mimbi sansa be ma jise me membe ye wadin se wo be yisibi when ti a windi. No pain, no gain. That be the game. It's if them my juice to me.
That's right.
Remember me, be sense of them my juice to me.
That's right.
Remember you what you say we used to be.
That's right.
When you win it, no pain, no gain. That be the game. Can they not bear my way up? Send over your fire say ho. Who did you go see you mama ne porn and once of them our boho? A blue baby na blackberry. Motorola no way me bisa. I have seed, I have 444. Every digi indomie. Or baby our price and find new baby I wish she on the next year. If your money you was out, who names several horns one and Casacha. First line for you, Musika school for my chance of my yes and coco. I don't need deal with Tika never do a taxi driver for them. We are deal with your money fake. Now what you don't watch your body, Manaya Shepe. I got you for a two, and one for you boom. Anna Maya, Mema mimbi sansa bema jisime. Membe ya wadin se wube used to be. When ti a win deep. No pain, no gain.
That's right.
That be the game.
Facebook. Adom 106.3. That's right.
When I win deep, no pain, no gain. That be the game. Hey.
My sister, oh, vibe so. vibes are off. Also say juicy me. And I also say, ne papa size no person the bay day.
Yes, I don't papa shareholder with you at yes.
Charlie boys, one inside you. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But how are you able to survive in a male-dominated, seemingly male-dominated, rap world, you know?
Yeah.
Jack, ain't it easy?
Not at all.
Yeah. So, how do you survive in there?
Yeah, first of all, the show trim say baby I'm equal. A male-dominated into me, yeah, that's your failure.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to see yourself so equal. Say, rap ni gender, ye ni mic madi ene mema mic.
Mic be a mic.
So once omuni na atimi, you see mic ne de unsu betimi.
That's right.
On unsu 2 beats na unsu betimi. That's what you are supposed to put in your head.
Okay.
Yeah, and bust it like the men. That's all. And I'm the name. Yeah.
But ain't easy for you as a female rapper?
Yeah, it's not easy.
Because ain't easy.
Easy, me say easy, baby. Easy. Yeah. But the thing is, you just have to be determined. Bibi waso like pursue embu abim because anything I make our menu back and say me I fear no man because me sure say we are better so what? Oh, I know nyame mama no watching no watching we all do it. Yeah.
Send ye nya mic no nko adia ye ni ma mic
any
ma mic ye nya mic no nko adia agro any form me that say when did you get in touch with Abrewanana?
Abrewanana, Abrewanana you'll be like me crying and I see her on TV.
Okay.
So Mate the fella, you know, like that. And it was a different feeling, like me feeling, you know, she was so good.
Okay.
So I always wanted to, me persist. I say even though I didn't go to do dance or like not me penny vibe, no.
Okay.
So when I wanted to do Major Boy, and I looked at how Shatawale did it with Sarkodie, felt like by then now I mean dance or Hana and my friend, you know, and I was like, yo guys, link up with everyone and I know linking me up and then she did it, we killed it. Yeah.
So you killed it?
Yeah, we killed it.
Then let's kill it right now. 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 Monjani on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. Eno Barony is our guest. Thank God it's Friday.
Jimmy who this my shada so this my Jimmy di magana mema nyina so me kan pasinti bana wo de mi tu ho no magia boso asia ya ne wa hwe ne hye me star girl intimidation hey sika keke no point man dollar na forgetting no ya shashi this me mema styles ube krama me bobi ne me nyash you ni na yanko bone fast so open mo aju ko me dad and me ma come do say me be wo bre wo on check there Oba show stop Munsia, Mr. Magic, oh boy. Alright, everybody sing this Magic, oh boy. And yes, you can check my swag, man, reflect. Magic, oh boy. You could have ride in the hammer, may give me my retreat, Magic, oh boy. Go by, go big. 20 kilometers just for a day. 30 military men to be safe. Yeah, no celebrities there you will taste. Sign fat joy that the punch or test. The temple managing me who's a cop. The harness and so I say name one for me a put on a man and no bed jaco. Me chain shake it back no tear no young coming be play with a golf. Boys, it took any me pipe up. Me name this so yeah, me pen a rock. Who come best yeah? Alright, do you wanna move to the group? Do you know the things we go do? You go make me bet for the room. Say I go show you power. You go bet for my. Hey, Hey, let's go.
Hey, when you start your days, go. Come here. I like the dance.
Alright,
I had your sister Penny. Sister Penny, they were here. Okay. That's right.
If you can find what is good in me, like to find out what is wrong with you, and you're not getting.
That's right.
I know what I do and I do it best. Shout out to it, Willie. Oh God, yeah, I now present to you. Baddest rapper, Eno, I'm a real face.
Mama Sadi Bio. Monjani on Facebook. It's a way there for this particular tune. I tell you. That's right. But Eno say oh the one you be ba now person feature any artist be one. How do they receive you? Having a tough time trying to feature somebody?
I mean, it depends. Me new shada in like me feeling vibe na. Me new na kasi be doing change. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So I have to feel your vibe.
What kind of vibe do you want to feel?
So say me new and because I am an artist we was searching sham. I'm not like that.
That's right.
When the song comes, style ne free. Like you feel like style with the fatani power you know. Now makache management. Then the management will link up with whoever it is. Then we do the song. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So, touch the body.
Touch the body. Oh my God.
I don't know one feature will be at Stoneboy.
Stoneboy. Yeah. Oh, Stoneboy. He's my mate.
Okay.
In the school and.
What do you call school?
Yeah.
Away.
Medas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, you're senior, and I said I'm
mates.
Mate, Ankasa.
Yeah. Now I have business. I'm here visual artist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We were talking. Yeah, we have to do a song. So
back in school. Did you guys? No, say in the future, my baby be say.
Yeah, I always had belief in Stoneboy. He always had belief in me.
Wow.
Cause I mean, yo, shout outs to you, big bro.
No doubt.
Cause he's older than me. Yeah, and we used to, your co-school are like auditioning biba. Oh baby, not okwa. Unya chance ni peno alenki after and say you have to go and try your best. Makoni your family. So it was like that, you know, and. He's been good. He's been a brother. I mean, me a bit in the toho. I wasn't even there.
Okay.
I know co-studio or not. So is it Eno beat?
Oh, I see.
Wow.
So then there's a surprise to cram out.
Yeah, because I was like, yeah, but not me name that baby. I know quite.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Then let's touch the body. Let's touch the body. Monjani on Facebook. Monjani on Facebook.
You feel like we're alright, touch your body now. 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 Then one touch your body now. Alright,
let's you.
When I'm back home, I'm the baby, never vibrate. I the feel cash attention, then I feel a break. The girl with the biggest behind, that's where I go feel make your man go blind. And it's all when I share, show you any cause I ain't got a bounce, it's already shaking. Yamia, but yeah, if I'm on come for Stoneboy, so dear. And I walk the share me police junction. This I told you word, do a beam nation. Why? What's your ultimate touch of it? Alright, I don't know, I can't remember. Of course.
And one on the aquarium. No doubt about that. Eno Barony is our guest in the studio. Now, Honorable Kojo Bajimai, just said, what one kama. And also the film Eddie Raha. And you know that this honorable member, or your fan serious pa, Eno.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Oh, see.
Honorable member, you wouldn't say, or your serious fan pa.
Sir, and don't catch you.
You, honorable, and you're catching, honorable catching.
Oh, yeah. Also,
patch up the mic, my mother.
I'm new in those masses.
Because say glass nature, you won't be safe.
Also, rap.
Yeah.
And when you see the obi rap, especially now, or say Oba. That's a special thing.
But that's right.
My following for a long time.
That's right.
Very long time. I think that those times I know you what Tema. Papa Bell's I don't know didn't ever studio, but
okay.
I was following her from afar, and I can say that she has really made a mark.
That's it.
She has registered her brand.
Fantastic.
In the Ghanaian music industry.
That's right.
And then I me born in me come. New cheat.
Okay.
And then I me born me come. Na me women organize. And if you are go Kumasi. Honorable, anyway, they come on. I'm saying, Mamoso Mupebi. So it tells us that and Crawford at the brand Eno Ase.
That's right.
We should try and support them.
That's right.
Adibakwa Mekan say more DJs. Says video DJs as well. And
I know. Yeah.
You my critical look be. So here TV. Now here music as money tender gender balance.
Sabu.
Because member no nyum no mo be posa be man o say you support you.
Definitely.
Because omo enoso.
Sir.
So omo enoso. Na say omo start say omo ye beef. No bia follow.
That's it.
Just say omo engidi omo atamansana.
That's it.
Yeah, I don't think that is the positive.
That's right.
Bibia omo ye no. We should try and hold them and let them have fulfillment in the passion that
that's right.
They are doing.
Most definitely.
Yeah, me supporting.
That's right.
I relate to the brand.
Fantastic.
Barony.
Honorable member Kasao. And now we're joining your studio. Eno, what will be your response to Honorable Kojo Bajimai? Baji. Also no Bobo. Oh, a serious player, Paulo John. What will be your response to him? What will be your response to Honorable member?
Oh, never can I say thank you so much for the
That's
support.
Right.
Yeah, and Honorable member Wahide, Oman Indra by Muse. Yeah, and Bana your industry we need push.
That's
yeah,
it.
so they should invest in like the arts.
That's right.
More.
That's right.
Yeah.
And Honorable, Mona Moya legislatures know. I think say the two anymore there. Then there are two more anymore.
Black Eye, the brand Adom 106.3 very huge.
Yes.
What kind of? Me found a Jubilee House.
By all means.
It's been endorsed.
By all means.
I think we need to support them.
Fantastic.
Which is very genuine.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
And I didn't kind of
that's right. Most definitely. Sir.
That's it.
You. Honorable member, you better say na I feel so sad jinem.
And some better interviewer.
Awo ekosi say no. Ntu jinem. Ujinem pa. Eti o constituency no omonto ma hwan. Number be.
Number 2. Ballot box.
Na mo delegate ni omo atiase ama wo.
Also would want to tumbi.
That's right.
Na osreo chopper.
Sir.
Omumwaye. Na yeso yembra bemu.
Okay.
Na omo andeswa omo enoma omo hwehwe no. Sir. Senia endo ezojine dia bai. That's right. Na yemfa.
That's right. You. Honorable Kojo Ba Ajimai.
We are
Medo kame awe. Today you be share with you. Why be share with you? You be share with you. Mekai some time back when Sir John Kase fear delegate. Model go ready Madaroma. Montoma Honorable Kojo Ba Ajimai. Na yenua Eno Barony so I will tune you say fear no man. Fear no man.
Yeah, go.
Fear no man.
Yeah, go.
Yanko, say, start. Monjani on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM.
They told me I was a woman's one of below. They told me I'm too weak for the road.
That's right. That's right.
See, it be me that killed the show.
And only a
they say me hunty and I say y'all started dodge from my blow. My yeko kromoti ayensa me humble po. But the funny thing is I started by learning from your flow.
That's right.
And kanena mumumi akola kete now I grow. So now I don't see my fellow girls and feel like I'm proud cause I spell it backwards and I see say it be trap. I see all these chicks strange shots from my farm. It's also more next time open in a veg in the bag. Rap ya day mama maka pulling the cheek. My switch echo singing so I'm on your ramu key. Boys equal me MCs. Try them and see. Nobody know you for Kumasi so we a G. I did nominated best rappers that MM and Ko. Minimum bidding to the moody rent here. Maybe I'm preconning and punching your best I was right here. Monko see your view BBA and them red. Not die your baby and Magda let me know separate. Now many boys see one-on-one like a debate. I'll be a virgin cause no boy fit penetrate. Me don't yame add themselves no fit get them straight. Hello, hi, that be my target. You can't bury me, I'm already out of my casket. The difference between me and the highest we say I wear skirts. So he thinks I'm a boy in a girl's dress. On your mics, let's go. Nigga, why it's slow?
That's right.
Watch out this year who sent me a dope. Yeah, to me, I got you floating in the summer, but turn out in a stone. I don't want to be a god MC who can Spanish a king for his sins for cancer. I want to be someone you can never be. I'm the king of queens. So let me pray one way a matter. I'm as deep as she can go. And on the track, I am harder than my dingo. Into my best rapper, but than my boyfriend. I no go use my job, cause my lyrics is a better blow. Yes, that's in this rap game. May I show any crack, I make it to me own style. I've been shop or no. Body need to move heavy like my punches. Now which kind strong man way no gets muzzles to show. Remember when we say poof poof, no be swag. Kaya yo my thumb no matter heavy or sacco. And when I got this beat and spit some bars and put it on the wave, strong boys are your wild though. But you can't kill me. I was born dead. Went to me from into toe, messing a bond that. I own bars, steam from Eno Barony. To this a beat, I setting on me was so dear. Don't dare. Same soup, I just got reheated and I'm now squatting on different toilets. But same ish. I run, but I don't get diarrhea. My mom boys, I swear, she said drive and it's a fire. I jump my free, I see a dear to pan their car. Wow, what's the one? No cut my brainy Debbie, a boy when you boy will beef. Him, I will beef. I'll serve you with a cocoa ban in your boy. Feet is in a casa, me at the best. I go you, Muna, my ash, hammer, and I mean, I demo first. I grow when you saw the to me, my yacha, my wood to me, my chin is a colico, and my boo.
David, Satan twisted now.
I grow when you saw the to me, my yacha, my wood to me, my chin is a colico, and my boo. What to me, the one sat to me, Divi, where you say my Adriane. Yeah, dear Manasa, Joe, Gani, show me, Shobia. I fear no man. My Jesse, Mr. So if he said, I don't fear who? Hey, give it to me. I don't fear who? One tip, one say, huh? To me, Kakacha, say me, I don't fear who? Watch a crowd. Love me, that's it. Hey, Relali, kaboom, nigga, what? Poof, swag, me, I don't fear you.
That's right.
It don't be you bad.
Hey.
Get him, floating, me, I don't fear.
That's right.
The mad burn is steering him. Check it, oh, baby, need to flow me, I don't fear you.
That's right.
Alright, when you now, Mr. Day.
But you sure say you don't fear who?
Oh, who are for fear? I fear no man. I only fear God.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So where does God come into your life? Where is God placed in your life?
God is like it's in the center of my life. Like my everyday life has to do with God.
Okay.
Without him, I'm nothing. Yeah.
So emre ben na wunya time ene nyankopon dinkita ho.
When I was growing up, the Ankamega said me kwada bia na me sorry bia, but me be trying to say they be have a bonfire.
That's right.
Sometimes I forget at once now me sorry, but I mean during the day it hits me and I say bia if I sit in the car. I like every but me home by me that was to say me who and there, you know,
right.
Show me so. And sometimes when like and a customer me sometimes go baby and yama say ye mama, that's when they forget God.
Okay.
But yama customer me baby, that's when I become so careful and I pray.
Okay.
More.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When things they be for you, that
be when I pray wa cry.
And you need the whole because nipa baby and yama start to say time more they tend to forget and they tend to rely on themselves.
Nah, that's when you have to pray because I saw Odenya me I said that man.
That's right.
And now we be for Bambo because only say when
fantastic.
Yeah, so you how can also what me ask more. Yeah.
So you strongly believe say baby I would drew ewa brabo mu no enya wa ho den.
Never. Nyame.
That's right.
Nyame cause me show baby I'm free. Look, I shine man when I was growing up, me can't to me won't say I'm the perfect child, and I say we never.
Okay.
But the people I grew up with, if you see some of them, like now whom and even the house where I come from, like I've never said this anywhere. Like my family, I have uncles who are deaf and dumb. Aunties who are deaf and dumb, cousins who are deaf and dumb, they don't talk.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? I say me nyamia mame ano etimi kasa. You understand? Like nyankopon, because if you see baby I'm free and the turnout and nyame de me about baby.
Now free.
Yeah, we what Tema community for.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm the new Shaiman.
Okay.
Shaiman Vaku Flat Zongo.
Okay. And how was growing up like?
It wasn't easy, because me free time I never bet na Shaiman. I mean things were turning so bad for my dad, but so I got to know that when I got to JHS, we have my private school, Panye Yimi Ako Saito.
That's right.
And Saito no cry, na me papa into me into your fees. No.
That's right.
So me kai one day be palm and me papa call headmaster ne ho kwa and say my school fees is 16 cedis, as in 160,000 that time.
Okay, all right.
And papa so we nyamu 9 cedis, 90,000. Ekutia headmaster and say onje, so walk out of my office, and my father was like tearing.
Wow.
And then I made him who said things are not well for my dad, because now my Jane some papa is skinny. At that time. Yeah. Who said like growing up, my dad was okay. We had cars, we fire anyway, my father's factory and this and this. So I thought everything was okay till that time, no. And I said things are not going on well.
That's right.
And I'm not Mr. But me kai. Me kai pa till Senyankupon de me papa be seen in nine subium.
That's right.
And my mom left.
Okay.
You know,
So at that time, did you ever think, say, Charlie, Nyame, Mami ye someday so I can really take good care of my family?
I always wanted to be a great person, but I never thought I would do music. Like, yes, Uncle Anna,
okay.
Okay. So one day, the teacher forced him to say something. And the name journalist, and I can't say I'll be a journalist.
Okay.
But now my name there, and I never picture myself saying I'm a Kotina office. Like, I never saw myself like that.
Okay.
The only time music came in my head was I said, "Nah, I saw you be able to be now. So for be able born pay mama be always say there's some light on me. They see say like my light is shining.
Okay.
And they keep saying about music that I'll be a great musician, because right from my birth there was a prophecy that they saw me holding a trumpet, playing, and then as a mama be Asia Eshame. So that prophecy was there, but nobody thought say I'll become a great musician or anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I said time Yesu back in Kumasi, Mekai Obo by Soseko for Obo, music for my president.
Yeah.
And is he still the president or former?
Yeah, he's still.
Okay. Yesu no Mekai primary days, I think class 1 or class 2. And Osofo Usubempa.
Yeah.
Eshe Obo Honkom. Yesu sakra. No say Obo be a great guy pa in the future. But Yesu no Obo pa eti Obia nim so football and Obo the baba make it to make Obo papa ko to boot e man no and to case 5 those days Sunny to case 5 am there na say is a cra eti nim so baba be footballer and later on you so baba be music. So I think that's a line mu na so na mo no. Your light was seen when you were young. But na unto pinpoint say e say at what age, at what stage, enyom ebao mu. Enyom.
Enyom ne de Adom 106.3 de chair because fitting means me just at time saying I'm starting to.
Okay.
Me mama penyom, me papa penyom.
All right.
They used to take me to the studio when I was a child, like a baby, but I don't remember menkai.
Okay.
But their voices of me are like normal recorded.
Wow.
Wow. And you know. Me nyana metonyum wa sorry metonyum was school, and I find myself all around musical instruments. Okay. Now me a drama, me bought drums fan.
Hey, what's about drums?
Yeah. And see sana I make us say me do JHS and I'm in the gift of writing.
Okay.
Because I used to write songs, but I'm in tone be
okay.
Family me notebook be a mature mom.
Okay.
But now it was mostly gospel, like just writing. And me do secondary school, you know. By then, so I could have no me seniors.
Okay.
And I'm in rap. And I felt like I did miss me. And I'm just a mature rap. And SHS one.
That's it.
But I'm a ferry at the intimate to intro be
okay.
And a one time man show notes. And I'm a madam BCO. Monji notes in the say kita or won't show notes. No motion. And I'm so mature. And I'm saying Mumbi or Mubi and Nachi. And I'm saying read it out. And a guy's new video. And I'm saying, madam, rap, like, or could you be in rap? Now I'm sitting here, I'm so what me so madam no coin a voice and so any rap nation.
Yeah, okay.
So I had to rap it. And they were like, yo, like fun.
Oh, that's it.
See, entertainment time soon, you know. And I'm go me doing some rap. Me fair no do me go see stage and
yeah.
Me share dumbness and I'm a rapper.
That's it.
That was all. And everybody fell in love with the thing.
Okay.
I was like, hey, now me and Uncle feeling sad. I was like, wow. They were feeling me then I'm control brain, seem control brain.
Okay.
And I feel the entertainment perfect time do you know I'm no meeting now. I'm voting mommy and I'm very perfect. See I feel they will say they be I'm a rapper.
That's right.
And I'm yes till now. Yeah, I understand.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now, apart from drums, any instrument be our house abobio and our drums
drums and I'm missing me but I wanted to learn guitar but now boy papa so be permitting papa yeah, see I only know the basics of guitar and as I say and if I want to write music I can use the guitar to guide myself but I can't play.
You can play.
Yeah.
But drums pana
yeah, for the drums yeah.
But una obo and still at the home.
Me but still just that I'm born and sing but I mean in ball like I still play.
Only drums ball.
Yeah, I remember
me about reggae, about high life.
Everything.
But more drums were how?
Of course. Me more.
Me what drums were how? More papa, you got drums in the side. You got drums in the side. Okay, one more just text number. One more just text number. CCA na. And Eno Barony, dear Onye Bida, our interviews are wakonyina. Ghana's #1 radio station. Eno Barony is going to do something. Onye Bida wa bebia. This lady, what na Kumasi pe, what na Santimemo pe? Because
tertiary education. And they me Santinintia.
Okay.
And I'm catchy.
Okay.
But Kumasi there when me do me secondary school me call Kumasi Polytechnic.
Okay.
Yes, me now Kumasi after school me now school 2 years count. Me now 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our AK Poly.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Now free Accra. Na wako Kumasi no the difference, you know, how are you able to cope with it?
Yeah, I needed a break. Like me secondary school, you know. Unse me was school and I mean a chance to me go studio, go entertainment, but me and I say I don't get the chance to go anywhere. Maybe I sorry.
Okay.
Because my papa is very strict.
Would you say that strictness and also boy guide?
Yes, up now, my papa name in China, but me to me
that's right.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And you know, say parents they very strict or basso. Because one more with under how best say.
Me that say. Now Papa Bills has handed the drumsticks. Yeah, drums here. We are near Baba heavy load. Yeah, drums here Baba heavy load. Now, Eno Barony sorry, I call baby drums. But among guide no, a drum side or Monguide no. Now I have Mom one and I'm on guiding uncle. My patch on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Papa Bills. This is Adom 106.3 FM. Eno Barony. Obabe Bibia Onye Bida. Our interviews are wakonyina. Eno Barony Baba Bod Drums. Yeah, mon share I'm here. Me free chwane da ha. Mon fa na Miss Mboni and I unim bibi Eno Barony kwakotena drums na chi kwakotena drums na chi na meka o se DBS Industries ho ne ye de ani kire na yakwakoje adanse hu nneoma te se roofing sheet se ope coloring plus papa to DBS Industries ene bia was said mo fa me free chua ne mreme mo fa me free chua ne mreme Eno Barony be board drums no na me mabo free chua no ha bada DBS Industries wo Spinkters Road. Waben Papaya Restaurant. Who see what dan where baby ababoswa. Fred DBS for na yembe DBS so and fa and mau DBS Industries building contractor estate developers. One Fred 0240-844-444 0240-844-444. DBS Industries and chance papa efie eneho. Now James Ajeko zoom camera neto Eno Barony sumame. Zoom camera neto Eno Barony sumame. Now she's going to do something different. This lady is versatile. What? Sister Boom Nam has a pick her Boom Nam has a pick her. Ow! Edi waham. Monjani on Facebook. Monko Facebook say Adom 106.3 FM. Can she hear from there? Sure. Okay, now Eno Barony ode din kama me freestyle kakra. Din kama me freestyle kakra. Eno Barony on the drums. Hey. Was starting reggae. Where reggae beats pa. Hey. Eno Barony on the beat, man. It's very a freestyle. Wait, okay. You try praises kakra. You try praises kakra. High life be kakra. Yeah. Say, oh my goodness, sister, we are boy. But can you drum and do something? Can you drum and still? Okay. Say no. Me ba be born you na ma. Me be born you na ma. Na all the beats no ono atene drums na chi. Eti yambo heavy load ana. Yambo heavy load. Who you okay with heavy load? Edem.
I'm gonna be me body no. Maybe also no. Open no phone no. And I back on no. Be my pale barony. Sweeter than honey. Hold you my barony. You get me city. When I say follow me. When I say do like this. When I say boo. Yeah. But I go draw your attention. Body need him when I body name was a team between my attention. Big girl, we are not the shy. Even though they like me, make me die. Double back up my cutter, they get to the fatter, can separate for my guy. Oh my god, where the heavy load, every guy, baby I overload,
for Eno Barony. You nailed it, man. Oh my goodness. Better as Bokobo. We are feeling good. I tell you. Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. Ebusia. Me jinji kwesi apia. Obetimi afra me black eye.
When I say follow me, when I say do like this.
Hey, sister, we are serious. Hey, I tell you, Eno Barony. Oh my goodness. I tell you.
This lady is versatile, you know. Oh, you're a musician now with the instrument be about. I don't think so now. Oh, musician now. Why are we? I'm telling you. Hey, sister, no easy. Na drums. Usia we here.
I wasn't taught.
Sister.
Yeah. Like I was always around it. Like me, I cry no.
Wow.
Yeah, like music. I'm not me machine house.
Okay.
And today be an instrument no fear.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the things I do, I wasn't taught. Like me, obi anam fair idea. So
okay.
Oh yeah, baby, anam share obi any ho. Then I try to do it.
Okay.
But now kofo nim se me and I say obi hu se me nim like yeah.
Good. Wait, all the drums ne perform we. Now you drums in film now for yanko. Say. Aye. Monjani on Facebook, Adom 106.3.
Maybe was so no. Open no phone no. Anaba kono no. Eno Barony. Sweeter than honey. Olumamba omi. Ekemi sisi. When I say follow me. When I say do like this. When I say poo. Get. Mijo. Follow me like a robot. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Alright. I no be pencil, but I go draw your attention. Body need to move, body no was something make your mama attention. Big girl, we are already shy. If you know they like me, make you die. So we be chroma kota, they can try their photo can see oh my God, where the heavy load, her fragile, baby I overload, baby I overload. Mijo, follow me like a robot. Let's go. Yanko. Mijo, Miss Day, me wo body no, me be what's no, open no phone no, anaba kono no, Eno Barony, sweeter than honey, Olumamba omi, Ekemi sisi. When I say follow me, when I say do like this, when I say poo. Get. Mijo. Follow me like a robot.
Where the heavy load ankasa? Heavy load ankasa. What inspired you to write this particular one?
Okay. Maybe music industry name for baby criticize my body and then also dodo and then you know because not me who me shut down who about be I say or you take or not or you Osha TV so a movie actresses near Deni now be a slim. It was feeling like and so be we around me star now.
Okay.
Even production near there like me film most of them were like I just am slim it down and send you do me BB and me share me boost me share my topa name and I'm never going to be
and what turn off room
yeah. Me papa side mama side
but otuna shepa heavy one
nyame
achede and Olex no so you tight
yeah
all them feel sre no dey call for me now to say bibia hihye ye pa
sure.
And no five room mama side and our papa side
ni nyina cuz
omunyina will be fantastic.
I felt like no, I have to just be me, and I started doing it. Criticisms need to buy it, and then maybe na so I feel say you can't tell me nothing.
That's it.
Now as a mature me so I'm to say me say. Oh, to say me away a care you so on fe. Sir, me mo bi mbu abem and kase like who nyɛ fe mo fe. That's me a jam way
fantastic.
Yeah.
Young call to say America.
Yeah.
Yan share a year artist ni bi omo America female artist ni bi growing up no were you looking up to some of them a be inspire wana
so growing up no na me feel mbo hip hop and see I didn't know them when I was growing up seriously no me female rapper bia until say Mr. Send me a rap now. I say, oh, you look like Missy Elliott.
Yeah.
You look like Queen Latifah. Then I started paying attention to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have they in a way shaped you now?
Yes, because I mean, I look at their journey. I had to say, sister Penny. You have to look at what's going on with them, how they actually moved and tried. And see, that's what I do. Make sure more extra challenges be to overcome mine.
That's right. Fantastic. Talk to me about cheat. Cheat.
Yeah.
Oh, actually saying
cheat. Ni cheat then.
Cheat OCC for like OCC and
and to cheat now I say like obesity be mostly na relationship when and conformity say he cheated on me, she cheated on me. So I actually did this song to show those who cheat
Oh, okay.
So don't do it.
So let's do a shout out to Omo cheating.
Yeah, okay. Shame on you.
All right, shout out to Omo cheating. Shout out to Omo cheating. Shout out to Omo cheating. We'll feature Kelvin Boy, right?
Yes.
Good.
Oh, let's do it. You do me, I do you. Every day I dey catch you. You beg me, I forgive you. You do it all over again. Where you know they get from my dad. What's your kid, papa? Baby, you just have to know. Baby, you just have to know.
That's right. That's right.
Baby, you just have to know.
That's right.
Baby, you just have to know.
Eno Barony.
So we jam me and one channel me that. Person me punchy obiba. Debi awo kwa with the biba. Eya te kasa na we nipa. You show me to the world, tell me penny will queen. 5-star girl over me chair, walk off a queen. You make a shy self, see how you embarrass me. DNA, then no learn how to respect me. No man, no they need to sleep. With all the girls in the world, one woman is enough. So what dear? What your SIM card? Phone be a moon room. You see what girl or not every day. You they make the same mistakes. You apologize and then you do it again and again. You check like you they play games. What time I come out? What do you gain? Mate, I don't filla. I'm me da me to me enda. Mate, I don't filla. Baby, you just have to know.
That's right.
Tell me.
That's right.
Baby, you just have to know.
That's right.
Hey. Yeah. Never say that I don't love you for real.
Sure.
For real. Girl, your body give me totally.
That's right.
Position body for me, you know how I mean. I no go cheat again, I go be loyal for real.
That's right.
You say you love holy dada, me I get the holy water. Oh my lover, tell you no lie, no be lie matter.
That's right.
Me they want to. I see I am a Nobel. Oh my lover, baby you just have to know.
That's right.
So be you.
Hey.
I am me baby you just have to know.
That's right.
Baby you just have to know.
That's right.
Baby you just have to know. Ooh yeah. Eno Barony with your one-time hit. You tell them this. Got daddy.
Also, one tear say on your day.
But daddy.
Then let's force them to play nonsense.
Oh my God.
Then let's force them to play nonsense. Let's force them to play nonsense. Let's force them to play nonsense.
Yeah. Forget mouth, make I show you road. Minimum be bone kuros.
That's right.
Young con is slow. You see what you say at TSC Chrome. Hey, she say yenda. You chain room 2 4 yenda. the koa sukeche mantata naji back to money matter. Huh? And yes, you can hear any prevent pressure. I go force you to play nonsense. No be everywhere we they spend money and come say. I they use common sense. Oh, now I 10 nightmare. Me here. Wakaki, I am see our Larry fair. Then this way she crack. Ube kumedia kume preko. Era de kaibio now meko. Sama Jose go baby. Nia finding me 50 Ghana game preko. Hello, how far? Hey, mami chani ekwa. Hello, how far?
That's right.
1, 2, 3. Argument done. Hello, how far? Hey, mami chani ekwa.
That's right.
Hello. How far? 1, 2, 3. I give hey, boys. My hits they say. We are check is my hits they say. Hey, real homie Shelly fake they say. I'm a crime of feel rich, more say. I agree. Who wanna match out? So much you wanna match out. Say if I was say, yes, say. Here, I'm a piano. We are cool and I'm a shout. Ah, beef no match. I dey go with the flow. Hey, and to 20 the be I'm a shake gloves. I said you must be this woman who somewhere slow. Go with the flow. Strong man for you. I said hello. How far? Mama Sean Yakwa. Hello. How far? 1, 2, 3. Argument done. Hello. How far? Mama Sean Yakwa. Hello. How far? Sister Derby. 2, 3. Argument done. Okay. Hey, Eno. Is that how are you? Me, dear, I will never try you. Now that I see what you can do, one my action for my Danica too. So, went to me, dear. Went to me, dear. Teach a more dear, I'm for your son, a corona, Danica. Clear everywhere.
We'll make it for you if you
come and visit me.
Please bring milk, butter, sugar, egg. The add polo honey.
I tell you.
Hello.
How far?
Mommy Shani Hello. How far? 1, 2, 3. Argument done. Hello. How far? Hey, Mommy Shani
That's right.
Hello. How far? 1, 2, 3. Argument done. Oh, argument done.
Argument done.
Yay, argument done. Argument done. Listen, dead.
Daddy. Sister, we are serious, pal. On forward, you money near growth.
Never.
Say we are in June.
Yeah.
A year, Ofie, what do you have up your sleeves?
Yes. And you force them to play nonsense. Yeah,
Okay.
Oh boy.
That's right.
It's 3 weeks old, and I'll say it's my biggest hit right now. And a cheat is just 3 days old. Cheating with Kevin Boy is 3 days old. Yeah.
Now 3 days old, you know. What share a year feedback now? What can you say?
3 days new views now. Me and cries bigger than some of me 1 year old.
Okay.
Songs. It's a hit.
It's a
yeah,
hit.
and I appreciate that.
That's right.
From Ghanaians. They make kind of say and supporting me more because cheat is out. Ni video no out. My YouTube channel no a fufro and me need subscribers baby. It's who YouTube. I know I should share Eno Barony. Now I subscribe to my channel and I share more. Na cheat so hormone bomb and I'm share because Corona into yembo shows. So
Corona. How are you coping?
Yeah,
because I have music as some perform because I'm a shows near Easter near the Adidi.
Papa Bills. Maybe go Europe, yes, Corona.
Now, Tobia, and I
had an Europe tour, Anchor by now, coming by.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's all good. I mean, because
Corona win and inside you.
Mehoninia, if I'm Koyanka.
So, to make us say, yes, season, no, affect music senpai.
Yeah, it has. I mean, it has. I feel like me starting my music career, and I'm doing this royalties.
That's right.
But it's now that I'm thinking about to say, if our country was keen on those things, and by now, maybe we'll be fetching some money out of there. But yeah, but it's all good. I mean, many endorsement deals being ideas, you know, we are making some small coins from there. Yeah, but then I mean, we're a loyal fan. I send a bit to your show. No? You can also watch my videos online. That was YouTube.
That's right.
Yeah.
Are we going to see say also virtual shows ni biana?
Yeah, me upcoming album be I was say me dey my second album.
Okay.
But yeah,
and also tunes ni bi na yi banana.
Okay. I know man ko na me feature man ko yeah for the first time. All ladies album title me Ladies First.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know how to line for this particular album.
This year now I made my mind say I'm going to touch on things that has to do with women.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
Because yeah, it's ladies first.
Why do you think say all these years here man not the mileage I'm here?
Attention no ni hosa.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know I was saying you draw more attention to the fact say more my attention.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Nti enye enyum to nkwa sem like our mu your day-to-day life. I mean say abuse so domestic violence I'm touching on all those things on the album.
That's right.
Yeah, I mean for the first time.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And the album about this year now.
Yes, this year just in a pandemic never cool say
oh the idea was say psyche because any abetina
say to me contem there near you be concert no one saying na face but me and contem there be virtual.
Okay.
Yeah, it's here.
Now in virtual be there did you
so me streaming.
Okay.
Yeah.
The more streams never now so
take yeah me ba na maka say multimedia mon tona mon streaming e wo mo ho na mama me sika koto me Ferrari na percent no. Na yeah. I said multimedia the most.
But so koto Ferrari.
Papa Bills in Kwanso. Papa Bills. Papa Bills o tia school fees very pathetic you. I dey show tia university school. Wow ko school ni ske bia brado. Papa Bills be tia school fees about.
I tell you. It makes me like I said Ferrari no dream car. Can I say that?
My dream car is a Wrangler. Yes.
Dream car no. Wrangler.
No one no ni aspect na
aspects let say alloy rims and there specs say. Oh, banana money because who him say?
Yeah.
And komo ya ye die betumi attach obi akwa mo age Wrangler na bra. Oh, yeah, sure say betumi.
Of course, I don't is so powerful that I know the things.
It's was specs no,
I know the things if we.
I'm telling you.
I know. You see, mama can you? Yes, I want to say a Lantra, but it's me Wrangler. Yes. Not my register though. Barony 2021.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Barony 2021.
Yeah.
What's up with you?
I just traffic. Let's spray the army color.
What's the army color?
Yeah, na nyama go bohu bebre.
That's right.
Kwa him is Kotomo.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
And the young show with Dream House.
Yeah.
Dream House, no, overpen how many bedrooms? Overpen how many bedrooms?
Me huni pa doso. Yeah, cause me huni pa me be papa 9.
Okay.
And me see fear, me see fear we be share me say oni nyame nko. So me see fear ka say, oh there.
That's right. So to how many bedrooms?
I want a big house.
A big house.
I want a big house. I have never counted the bedrooms I want, but me said that me will be 7. So
okay. Hey, we 7.
Yeah,
and vision is strong. Wow, how many
like 5 boys, 2 girls.
I don't know, man, him also say me man.
Me pay money ka creepy. Me pay about my bedroom so tell me.
Who do say watch you abusi afo so kakra.
Me ha drink.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay, yan share areas na one cry ha no. If papa na be person ka be dream house na areas.
Oh, anywhere assassin so. Yeah, I don't mind. Assassin so kwan.
Assassin so na so a usi dan si so a obepɛ swimming pool dem nyama do be na obepɛ
swimming pool ni the most deaf because I show tired me. Yeah, and see the most deaf. I need a swimming pool. I have a dream being. I want person see baby as in see ota first na dware won see mu pan.
Okay.
It may see a big hall over just say hall but see ota ni ebie so. Na we dware let me try you.
I'll tell you.
And see around and say, hey, woman shit. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Eno Barony, it's been wonderful having you today on the show. I've really enjoyed every second, every minute, cry. Seriously.
You so much.
Your fans are listening to you. Ghana is listening to you. And then I will catch Ghana for.
Yeah, me do BBS Ghana for and beyond because Adom is international.
Right. That's right.
And I'm going to ask for the love and the support. You make kind of say support your female artists. Don't wait and feel like this person is fighting this person before you support. Yeah, the nyumba. Sa ho de na the type beef echi no. Mo fan type go me the nyum for fa ba mo nyina mo coach.
Na say beef no so draw attention ba mo ho side. Mo can say no so on a positive effect,
yeah,
right?
and I make us say mamo ntwen say beef bi ansa.
Okay.
You know, as yenye ejuma my anka na betwitwa beef de bia mamo. It's, you know, you should support us. I mean, support the girls. I'm right. Here. Other girls are there. They are all doing well. Yeah. And Simon support here. And I mean, who you'll be a Oscar. I mean, you can manage a female artist be a be who be our talent be a no discussion because my
fantastic.
Yeah. In cinema madam say me YouTube channel no. Eno Barony.
Okay.
One subscriber. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Now, who Papa Bills? You are big now. The boy,
Papa Bill says, "Some drew in Pempeso, some far boy. I know I saw me son of a boy."
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So to like I said, now, only boy.
Same in Drew, yeah.
Oh, so I under
I
age.
am 2 years old.
It's really boy.
I am 2 years old.
It's really a single. But are you ready to mingle?
I am 2 years old.
Maybe you're the number. Why not you some for her cry? I'm free motorway mama for road food to cry. Eno Barony, thank you so very much. It's been wonderful having you on the show. All right.
Thank you.
Good. I mean, admire you. Best say share you. We'll meet again and we'll do it again.
Again and again.
Fantastic. Eno Barony was our guest today. Ofie Kwanso right on Adom 106.3 FM.
At the toy in the globe. And to continue the Biamedana Michi gloves. I said, there must be this to me, whom am I slow? This year, no hardcore, go with the flow. Nana Reverend of for them to two. Mr. Magamfuny and Senka Montico. Charlie Nipatrimu to many fufu. And so I did a Kumati and your fufu.
Hello, how far? Mama Johnny, hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, argument done. Hello, how far? Mama Johnny, hello, how far?
It's the Derby.
1, 2, 3, argument done.
Mermaid. Hey, Eno. Is that how are you? Me, dear, I will never try you. Now that I've seen what you can do. Mama, I should feel my Danny cartoon. So, want to me, Ria Menka. Want to me, dear Memfa. Tambo, dear Mempedosa. Answer. Na Corona, a Danny cancer. Never try this girl, them. There we go, discard them. From a shy man to Nima, them. We clear everywhere. Eno, please, I have a special recipe. We'll make it for you if you come and visit me. Please bring milk, butter, sugar, eggs, then add polo honey. We go make sweet eggs.
Hello, how far? Mama Johnny, hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, argument done. Hello, how far? Mama Johnny, hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, argument done. Argument done.
Share Airtel Tigo. Swire the year pa. It is a season of extra big time Ankasa. Now Airtel Tigo Swire the life is very simple on Airtel Tigo. Say unim say Airtel Tigo nkwane ma wakwanya. Na utumi chusu eya o data plan bia wo pe.
Nightmare. Me renra.
Pe ubotom. Send ya usika CT bia. Airtel Tigo e wo data plan na obetumi dia browse obetumi dia chat. Obetumi dia enjoy your data ankasa. What do you want to say? Over dial star 111 hash. Star 111 hash. Now they choose who plan it today. There were so many plans to choose from. There were Airtel Tigo Big Time Data Extra.
Feels extra. Extra unlimited and get extra. Life is simple. On Airtel Tigo. That's why the power. Yeah, weekend is just around the corner. Weekend need a pizza. Pizza more than a Papa's Pizza. Ghana ha. Send your Papa's Pizza and your one number before for a crowd. Ghana ha baby a pizza de pan a Papa's Pizza. Papa's Pizza or branches be bro on crack with them ha. Or East Legon, North Legon, Dome, Tema, Osu, Spintex, Ring Road.
Go with the flow.
Emia when Nabenya Papa's Pizza branches they be over me have visit to our website, no place to order no easy as ABC. www.papaspizzaghana.com. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Hello.
How far?
1, 2, 3. Argument done.
Hello. How far?
Mama Sean, yep.
Me patron we Ghana near Wutie yen wo United Kingdom wa.
3. Argument done.
Dr. Shadrack Kwabena Intrakwa.
Is that how are you?
Or to Nensafro or